Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Turkish cuisine is more than food. It's a living history of empires, trade routes, and migration. From Istanbul's streets to food markets in Berlin, New York, and Sydney, Turkish flavors have traveled far. The Ottoman Empire stretched across 3 continents, spreading rich Turkish flavors. Kebabs, baklava, dolma, and Turkish delight became culinary ambassadors, crossing borders and capturing hearts. Today, doner shops in Germany and baklava in Paris cafes prove this cuisine found a permanent global home. What makes Turkish food unforgettable is its perfect balance: cumin, sumac, mint, olive oil, and pomegranate. Turkey's coastal treasures, grilled sea bass, stuffed mussels, and Bosphorus fish sandwiches, surprise every traveler. Turkish meals celebrate community, with every bite offering an invitation to join a tradition that honors people as much as food. As food tourism grows, Turkey's blend of land and sea, spice and simplicity ensures its cuisine will keep winning hearts worldwide. Turkish food culture hasn't just conquered the world, it's made it more delicious.
Turkey's food map. From Istanbul and the Marmara region, you get the big table energy of Ottoman heritage. Elegant meze plates, fresh fish from the Bosphorus, pilavs scented with spice, and street icons like simit and doner. Meals here are social, small bites to share, tea always pouring, conversation flowing. Slide west to the Aegean. Olive oil cuisine at its purest. Think herb-driven zeytinyağlı vegetables, grilled octopus, tomato cucumber salads, and crumbly white cheeses. Plates are light, coastal, and seasonal. People eat slowly, family style, with baskets of fresh bread used to chase every last drop of olive oil. South along the Mediterranean, Adana and Hatay bring heat and citrus. Adana kebab, spicy ezme salad, pomegranate molasses, and wood-fired breads dominate. Lahmacun is squeezed with lemon, rolled with parsley, and eaten by hand. Ayran, the salty yogurt drink, is the go-to chill. Head east to Gaziantep and Şanlıurfa, the spice capitals. Kebab culture gets deep. Skewers, liver at breakfast for the bold, and baklava with buttery finesse. Meals are generous and communal. Guests are urged to eat more, true hospitality. In eastern Anatolia's highlands, the food leans hearty. Slow-cooked lamb, tandır, bulgur pilavs, and buttery desserts. Winters are long, so preservation matters. Dried fruits, cured meats, and rich stews anchor the table. Central Anatolia keeps it comforting and flour-forward. Kayseri's manti, tiny dumplings, crowned with garlic yogurt and pepper butter. Konya's etli ekmek, thin meat-topped flatbread. Soups often start the meal, and yogurt shows up everywhere. Up on the Black Sea, cornmeal and anchovies rule. Hamsi appears grilled, fried, baked with rice. Kuymak, mulama, blends cornmeal with stretchy cheese and butter, serious comfort food. People eat warm, rustic, and close to the sea.
Gökyüzü ağlar.